Can't connect your app to Salesforce because your security token expired? Reset it in under a minute with these simple steps. I'll show you exactly where to click in Salesforce to reset your token. Just follow along. So the reason you're probably stuck right now is that Salesforce security tokens are designed to keep your data safe. But when they expire or you forget them, they can really block your workflow. Now, I've been through this exact issue many times, and the fix is surprisingly simple once you know where to look. Start by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of Salesforce. It looks like a small avatar or your initials in a circle. Go ahead and click that. This is where all your personal settings live, so it's the natural starting point for something like this. From the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This takes you into your personal configuration area. Now, this is important. We're not looking for general setup here. We're going into your personal settings, which is a slightly different area. Click on it. All right, so now you're in your personal settings page. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar menu. Scroll down until you find an option that says Reset My Security Token. It's usually under the Personal section or towards the bottom of that menu. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see a page with information about your security token, and there's a button right there that says Reset My Security Token. Click that button. And here's the thing, Salesforce will process this request and send you a new token. It might take just a moment to process. Now check your email inbox. Salesforce will send you an email from the address associated with your account. The subject line will be something like Salesforce Security Token Reset. Open that email and you'll see your new security token listed there. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Don't worry if it looks complicated. That's by design. Copy that entire token from the email. Then go back to whatever app or integration you were trying to connect, find the field where it asks for your security token, and paste it in. In my experience, this is where people sometimes make a mistake. They accidentally copy a space or miss a character. So double check that you've got the whole thing. Finally, test your API connection to confirm it works. This is a crucial step that a lot of people skip, but it only takes a few seconds. Run a test connection or sync in your external app, and you should see it connect successfully. If it doesn't work, just double check that you pasted the token correctly and try again. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from being locked out to having full API access restored in just a few minutes. Now you can get back to connecting your apps and keeping your workflows running smoothly.